Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to make you a little familiar with our editor so that you will find it easy to use. Now first of all, this one is divided into three parts. The top bar that include these shortcuts and these options, and if you are using a Windows computer then they are available here on the top of the application. Then we have the coding space, and then in last we have the status bar. Now let's discuss these one by one. So first of all we have the top bar, in which we have these options: file, edit, sketch, tools, help, and these shortcuts. So here you are wondering that why I'm going to teach you these options, because these include some of the basics like open, saving, and these kinds of options. But if you are using the microcontrollers, then some of these are very important to know. So I will focus on those options and will explain you the top bar. Now first of all, in file you will find basic options like new, open, save, and these kinds of options. So with the help of new, you can open a new coding window, and there we go with that one. And I believe you know about the open and saving options, and expect these. Here we have an important option, examples. So this includes a collection of example codes that are provided by the Arduino. So this one has some basic codes for sensors, control and communication, and some very basic codes like blinking and LED. And to use them, just open any code, and there we go. Then you will get a new window with the code available in that one and with a proper description. So you can study the codes here, and you can also use them by just directly uploading to your board. So I hope this may help you for some basic examples. So you can check this if you want to. There are a lot of codes available here. After that one we have a sketchbook. So this will includes all the codes that are saved in our library that you will create and save by your own. Now after that one, in edit we have basic options like undo, redo, copy, paste, increase, decrease the font size. So these are very basic options that you have seen in different applications. Now let's move to the sketch. So here sketch contains options that are used for the hardware interaction, like if you want to upload your code or you want to check your code. So for that we have the options available here. Like to check for the errors, here we have a verify and compile option. Like if I have this code and there's some error in this code, then you can check that one with this option. So right now that will create an error here. So let me show you that one. So just click on verify, compile, save that code, and there we go. So here it will represent we have an error in our code. It will also show us what is the error and at which point it is available. And if I remove the error and then again if I compile that one, then I will get no error in this code. So here you can see done compiling. Now after this one, if you want to upload this code to your Arduino, then you can just click on upload here, and then it will upload the code on your Arduino. So here we have done uploading. After this one, here we have an option include library. So if you are using any complex hardware, like you are using motors, then you need an external library to work with that one. So for that you need to download that library, and then you have to include that one with this option. So these are some important options in Sketch. After this one we have tools. In tool, first of all we have a serial monitor. So this is a display used for monitoring the input and output values. So all the input and output data will be printed here while you will work on your projects. And after that one, here we have two very important options, board and port. Right now I'm not going to discuss about these because there will be a separate video for how to connect the Arduino. So just enough for these right now. And after this one we have the help that contains again some very basic options. Then let's move to the shortcuts here. Now these shortcuts are also part of the top bar, and they are just frequently used options from here. Like first of all we have a verify and compile option that is available in Sketch. So instead of going there again and again, you can just click on this one and this will compile your code. And there we go, done compiling. After that one we have an upload button here that is also available in Sketch, and that is used for uploading the code on the board. So you can just click here and the code will be uploaded on your Arduino board. And after that one we have a new shortcut with the help of which you can create a new coding window. Then we have a open and save button which you can use for opening and saving your codes. Then we have a serial monitor here, which you have seen in the tools, that is available here, serial monitor. Then this is about the top bar, and I hope you got the little idea about the options available there. Then we have the coding space, and nothing about this one, it's just the editor space that you can use to write the codes. And then in last we have here the status bar, the working of which you have already seen. So this will represent the progress of the current operation. Like if I'm right now compiling the code, then it will show me compiling sketch and the progress made in that one. And if I do uploading, then it will show me first compiling sketch and then uploading. And if there is any error in the code, then you have already seen that it will show us the error, that there is any error in the code, where that is available, and what's the reason for that one. So this is a little about the Arduino IDE, and still if you are confused, then don't worry about anything. This is just a basic idea. Now when we start to write the codes with the Arduino IDE, then you will find it more easy to use. So this is about the IDE basics. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.